Hey, what is going on, guys? Are you looking for just one app? One app that you cannot find in the official Amazon App Store. One app for movies and television shows that will cover everything you need. Follow along with me, and I will show you exactly how to do it. Trust me, you definitely want this set up on your Amazon device. Welcome to TechVibes, where we help you with all of your streaming device needs, tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. To get this application onto our device, we first need to navigate over to the Find icon. Come down to Search, highlight it, and type in one word, Downloader. Downloader comes up here fairly quickly on the list. You may need to type in the entire word Downloader as one single word altogether, or you might just need to type the letter D. Highlight Downloader, click on it, highlight the official downloader icon, and click on it. And here it gives us the full ability to get it and download it. Click on the little download arrow right there, and it will automatically install onto our device. Give it just a couple of moments. I am sure you have friends who want movies and television shows for free on their device just as much as you do. So please share this video with them. Send them a text message and say, "Yo, check out this." Now that downloader is installed, let us head back to the home screen before we open it. We are going to go all the way to the settings icon on the very far right and then come down to My Fire TV. My Fire TV is this bubble right here. Yours may say 4K or yours may say My Device. It just depends on your specific version. It may be located down here on your screen. But mine is right here, so let us highlight it and click on it. As you can tell, I already have developer options listed right here. You may not have it yet. Don't worry, because we will put it on your device right now. Highlight About and select it. Now I have Fire TV Stick listed here. Yours may say 4K or something different again. Have that option highlighted, use your remote, and click the center button about 7 to 10 times. And now a pop-up will say, "Congratulations, you are now a developer." While we are on this screen, come down to check for updates. Select it, because we always want to make sure our device is running the latest software. I know some updates change things that we do not want, so if you prefer not to update your device, that is completely fine. Just remember as a quick reminder that some apps might not work with the older software on your device. So, you can just click on it to check. Mine already says it is up to date, so we are good to go. Back out one step, and let us come down to Developer Options. Highlight it and select it. Here I have ADB debugging. We can turn it to the on position, and then go to Install Unknown Apps. Highlight it and select it. And we have Downloader available to turn on. Now, this enables Downloader to sideload applications onto our device. These are apps that we wouldn't really normally be able to get any other way. Now, for a little trick, I am going to keep this off for a moment, because later, when we do install an application, I will show you what the system will actually do with Downloader. So, if you decide to skip this step and you get to the end and wonder what happened, I will show you exactly what. Let us go back to the home screen. Let us find Downloader and check what is going on. Go to the icon with the 3 squares and the plus sign and highlight that. The last application that we have downloaded comes right down to the very bottom here of the list. Highlight Downloader, and we can actually use our 3-line button on our remote, and we can select Move to Front. And when we go to our home screen, this is our Shortcuts menu. Downloader is now front and center for us to automatically click on anytime we want to get a good app or a new app for our device. Highlight Downloader. Let us open it up and see what is going on. Select Allow when it asks to access photos, media, and files on our device. Click OK on the Start Guide pop-up. Now, Downloader acts just like a web browser, so we can type in any web page address we want. Instead of typing out a long link, I have a short code for you, which is much simpler. We can highlight the box and type in 546835. Then we just hit go on our remote, and this will give us an automatic redirect to the web page where we can find these awesome applications. There is a 5-second redirect message. Please remember to share this video with a friend who would love to know how to get movies and television shows on their device. Once the page is loaded, let us hit the 3-line button on our remote. Select Add Current Page to Favorites and then hit Save. This will put the page as a permanent bookmark in our Favorites section. On the page, our remote works just like a computer mouse. You can use the little circle around the select button to move down, up, right, and left. We can click on this very first link, which is the download section. And if for some reason it does not pop up, the 3-line button brings up a pull-down tab with Downloads. We can just highlight Downloads and select it, and it will take us right to the page that we are looking for. This is our Downloads page. Check out the video, some tutorials, and some key points. Let us head down the page because we are looking for the apps for movies and television shows. If we come down further, we will see the section for movies and television shows best apps. Flicks is what we want to download. Highlight it, select it, and it comes to the specific downloads page. Head all the way down, look for the little blue bubble. We also have a backup link just in case one of them does not work. If a link ever stops working, please let me know in the comments and I will get it updated as soon as possible. Here it downloads the installation file and goes straight to the install screen. And now this is where Downloader needs its official authorization to install unknown apps. We can either do it in the settings at the start, like I showed you, or if you don't, once we get to this section, it will prompt us to do it. So we can hit settings right here. And here, install unknown apps is open. Find Downloader, highlight it, and turn it to the on position. Done. Piece of cake. People sometimes say we jailbreak these devices. We do not jailbreak them at all. Jailbreaking is just a catchy term that people use to get your attention. But we do not jailbreak a Firestick. We back out one time, then twice, and it comes right back to the Downloader page to install the application. So we will hit install. It will take just a few moments to install the app. Down at the bottom right, hit install again, and now we are installing the application. That little settings change will be the one and only time that happens. The rest of the installs will be completely seamless. Now that it is installed, highlight done and click on it. Then right here, delete the installation file. We no longer need it taking up precious space on our device. Select delete and then click delete once again to confirm. As you can tell, it brought us right back to our downloads page. Now, do you remember what that short code is? Probably not. Did you favorite it like I showed you? If you did, good on you. If you didn't, don't worry, because I will tell you what it is again. It is 546835. Then we can highlight go and select it, and it will send us with the automatic redirect right back to the web page. Once the page is loaded, let us hit the 3-line button on our remote. Select add current page to favorites and then save. This will ensure the page is a bookmark in our favorite section. And then we can just highlight the first image there and it comes to the downloads page. And we can head down to our movies section. We already have the first one, but if something goes wrong with it, we always need a good backup option on our device. So let us try cinema next. Head down the page. Look for the little blue buttons or the blue bubbles. Select cinema. Download the application onto our device. Down in the bottom far right, we will hit install. And once it is installed, down in the bottom right, click done. It gives us the option to delete the installation file, so select delete and confirm. And we back out one step and we come down and check out stream. Click on it. It is the exact same thing. So we install the application. Down in the bottom right, click install. Let the installation happen right now on your device. And once it is installed, in the bottom right, we will click done. The done button is right there. Highlight it and click on it. Delete the installation file and confirm the delete. And we are good to go. Those are 3 great apps for your Amazon Fire TV Stick for movies and television shows. Let us find these apps on our device. Head to the home screen by pushing the home button on our remote. And again, we can go all the way over to the 3 squares and the plus sign icon. This opens your apps and games section. Like I said, the last installed files are always at the very bottom of our list here. So we can go and highlight stream, use our 3-line button on our remote and select move to front. Do the same with cinema and move it to the front. Do the same with flicks and move it to the front. Now, when we go to our home screen, these apps are front and center for your enjoyment. You are very welcome. If you guys are looking for more awesome applications on your Amazon Fire TV Stick for sports and live television, make sure to like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update here on TechVibes. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching TechVibes, and I will see you in the next one. Happy streaming. Peace.